Hello everyone, my name is Dhruv Gupta and I am a final year student of B.Pharm from MIET. I pursued pharmacy because I want to help the society by being a healthcare professional, and pursuing pharmacy will allow me to do so. Pharmacy graduates have various options such as being a clinical pharmacist or a drug inspector, or as high as being the drug controller of India. Pharmacy department at MIET offers well-equipped lab and lab technicians, which provide students with an excellent working environment and modernized equipment. Pharmacy department at MIET organizes industrial visits for the student to leading pharmaceutical companies, which provide students with an understanding of the real application of their studies. MIET offers 100% placement in leading pharmaceutical companies, as it provides us with aptitude tests, soft skill trainings, so that we can excel in our interpersonal skills. Hope you excel the same way. Good luck. Thank you.